we are moving. I don't know which city will come on later on, but let's see. The next stop is Sangameshwar. It's very lonesome today because I'm only solo riding. I missed everyone, but in the riding time, I don't have any rider friends, guys, who are as enthusiastic as me, or they don't have time to go for a ride. Either they don't have money, either they don't have a bike, either they don't have any interest. So lacking everything, a person cannot go for a ride. So for going for a ride, you should have these three things. You should have time, you should have money, and you should have a bike. 4 kilometers to Savardi. I don't have an idea of the Savardi village. I just have listened the name. We are reaching Sangameshwar. Sangameshwar is around 25 kilometers from here, and I coming in Ratnagiri, coming to Konkan. The road seems to be very fast covered up. I don't feel like I'm traveling for more kilometers. I don't know why, but the journey feels so smooth, and I'm not feeling the time. It feels like I'm going fast, and the places and the cities are coming around very early, and Sangameshwar, which was around 109 kilometers, has come to an 25 kilometers range. So I will be reaching right now. So until now the bike has very performed well. In the middle patches of Mangaon, I have kept my bike on 105 kilometers, I think, for 15 to 20 minutes. Very good performance. And GoPro is also, I think, performing good, but I don't know, the battery has been swollen due to the heat, and now it's not that much heat, so I think now the GoPro shall perform well, because the heat, which was around 12 and 1 p.m. in the afternoon, was very, very warm, very, very hot. And riding on this road, I feel that road shouldn't end. It should go on and on and on and on and on and on and on. So I am thankful for my friend Rakesh Walam, who gave me the opportunity to come early, to stay at his place, to explore as I want. As I think Rakesh will be busy in the marriage arrangement of his brother, and so he could not come with me if I go to certain places. So let's see. So tomorrow we will go to places. Let's see how it works for tomorrow. I will focus for now. Oh, thank God. The evening vibe has been started. It's 4:30, and we are closing in, and we have maintained a good speed of 75 kilometers per hour, I think. The road is empty, no traffic at all. and the turns are also good. Yo guys, where is Sangameshwar? I don't see any Sangameshwar right now, guys. I am been riding for 15 minutes and I don't see a view of the Sangameshwar. I don't know if I have crossed Sangameshwar. No idea. Some parts of the road here are getting ugly. Oh, that's a pool. Hula. Bro, let me pass. Let me. Now the game begins of the bad roads. I think we are right now in Sangameshwar. As expected, the road is pretty fucked up. Wow. That's Ladakh. Mini Ladakh experience. मैंने उसके गली को छोड़ा, उसके गली में दिल को तोड़ा. Sangameshwar. Sangameshwar. Will turn my tires to red. I need some refreshment, guys. Need some water. So again we have huge traffic in Sangameshwar. Sangameshwar is very densely populated with trees and very forestical area. Very dense forest. And now we are trying to move ahead. Something has happened. I don't know what will happen right now. The road is fucking blocked. So we are stuck in the traffic. In Sangameshwar. You can see this is the national highway number 66, fully fucked up in between. There is some serious traffic in Sangameshwar. Finally out of the traffic. So guys, finally we have left Sangameshwar city behind. Sangameshwar is so beautiful, so lush green, guys. Very dense forest area and very beautiful place. If someone loves dense forest, totally surrounded by lush greenery, even in the summertime. So beautiful, just like a wow. So beautiful, just like a wow. And there's a river going side by side of this highway. And I think Lanza is around 50 kilometers from here. So it is showing around 1 hour 22 minutes. So it's fine for me. As expected, I think I shall reach maximum by 7:30. Let's. I think, guys, the road around here, it's not good. I think Rakesh told me that the road in this part is still, the work is going on. Oh, what is the view of the river, guys? Awesome view. I think this is another Ghat road. I'm traveling right now. I don't know the name. So we are in proper Ratnagiri, guys. Sangameshwar, I think, is the heart of the Ratnagiri. According to me, I don't know. Many people wouldn't agree to me, but I feel, by looking at it for the first time, this is the heart of Ratnagiri. I think in my past time I haven't expected this kind of ride, and I think this is the longest solo ride. I think I guess I'm going to somewhere. This is the longest solo ride of 318 kilometers until now, and the bike has always supported me. See, this part of the road is still under construction after Sangameshwar. I think by next year, I hope so, the work shall be done. Thank God there is no traffic today on this route. There is traffic in between where there is narrow roads, but overall there is no traffic at all. Very comfortable, you can ride. चलो